In this video, I'm going to show you how to restart Microsoft Teams. Now to do this, you first want to go and click the X button here in the top right. However, this is not going to restart them because they're not even entirely closed. So to entirely close them, you want to go to the bottom here on your taskbar and you want to click on this up arrow over here to show the hidden icons. And in here, as you can see, Teams are still open. So you want to right click on Teams and you want to click on Quit Teams. Now, if you really wanted to make sure they're completely closed so we can restart them, you can also right click down on the taskbar and click on Task Manager. And then from here, you want to go to the top and you want to type in Teams. If nothing pops up, like in my case, you're good. But if it does, click on it and click on End Task as long as it's connected to Microsoft Teams, okay? Then you can just go and reopen them by going to the search box, or of course on your desktop, click on the Microsoft Teams icon. It's gonna load in, and as you can see, there we go, I get this loading screen, which indicates I'm actually restarting Microsoft Teams just like that. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.